attention? Do I have your 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 attention?
I am going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define as my eyeshadow base. You have to use something that's more brighter and whiter is your base. I'm using a concealer that's like 5 shades or 4 shades brighter. Lightly set that. So today I'm going to be using a palette from Beauty Glazed called Color Infusion. The fluffy brush, this color, which is like a pinkish shade, this is a transition shade. So remember, apply eyeshadow according to your eye shape. I have almond eyes and slightly hooded, so I really try and go above where my eye socket is. So the first transition color was this one, and now I'll be going in with this at the bottom. Also moving that purple shadow on the corner, outer corner as well. I will leave this eyeshadow palette in my Amazon storefront, so if you check in the links below you will see where I got it if you're looking for a much more colorful palette, or you can use whichever you have. So I'm going in with that pink again, and I'm just adding, and I'm using the same brush, guys, so you don't need to just go back with a different brush if you don't need to. And with these lemony shades, so starting off with green lemony shade, pack that in my inner corner, just stop just where that purple shade begins. So use a tapping motion as well when you are applying your shadows. Look how vibrant these eyeshadows are, man. Using these blues here, gonna first start off with a much lighter blue. Packing the eyeshadow first before I blend it in together. So when it comes to blending, you just want to get the color that you are, the one that you started first with, which is the lemony green, and I just start just merging those together, and you want to do like a slightly shading, like you're shading something but so lightly. So I'm getting a darker blue, the same palette, and I'm just making sure I blend that in, creating a somewhat wing. So we're adding this color here, that one here. I'm gonna obviously add this even more when my foundation is done. It looks so much brighter in person, guys. I wish you could see this in person. I kind of winged it a little bit more this time because I just like the winged look. So let's wipe the excess off. Line our eyes with a nice wing liner. Let's do a wing liner. Doesn't it look like so neat and polished when you've put the eyeliner on? Our lashes are on. We're not finished with the look first. I'm going to do my base and then we'll do the bottom look. UJV Beauty Concealer, foundation, and also setting powder. It's everywhere, and I mean everywhere. So here are the products. There's a discount if you check in the links below, a 10% discount just to get these products. When I tell you that the foundation applies like a dream, you'll be like, girl. And the concealer and also the setting powder. So please get your own, get these products. These are needed. Base is done, and well, not fully done. I'm gonna just do the rest of the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna add a little bit more lemony green, actually baking as well, to just catch any fallouts that may try to just fall. Okay, we're going in with the green, and then we will go in with the blue. Get your fan brush, and we're gonna sweep this away. So for blush, I did go in with a peachy pink shade blush, and I've swept all that away, and I'm gonna put mascara, highlighting the nose. This UJP Beauty little fan brush is so good. I just like the way it's small. It just goes on the little tiniest places. Honestly, you guys, support your black owned businesses. Always. The Huda Beauty Bake and Snatch in the shade Blondie. And this is just gonna give me the highlight under my eye, the bright eye that I like. So you have to set your, like after you put concealer, set your face first before you apply this, or else you're gonna have a crazy white cast. I went ahead and lined my lips with the liquid lipstick from Makeup Revolution in the shade Glory, and put on a peachy nude lipstick with gloss. So this is the final look, my loves. The smoky, colorful smoky eye for sure. I absolutely love this. It's my second time doing it because I was requested to recreate it. So I love this. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.